2025 was a transformative year for HRDI, one filled with innovation, leadership, and meaningful growth. We began January by welcoming the new year with our orientation and induction training, followed by the faculty development program and the launch of our partnership with Dewhurst Group. In February, the Art of Living workshop strengthened professionalism and confidence among participants. March brought two major youth-focused initiatives, 𝐆𝐫𝐴𝐻 2025 and the Youth Leadership Bootcamp, along with a heartfelt Grand Alumni Meetup that reconnected our vibrant community. April shined with the Powerful Change Exhibition 2025, celebrating student transformation and strengthening our industry ties with an MOU signed with BIEPOA. In May, TEDx Daffodil U 2025 brought bold ideas and inspiring voices to the HRDI stage. June celebrated academic success through the certificate awarding ceremony for our PGC in FA/FFD and PGD in HRM programs. July enriched our educators through faculty training and the globally connected Asia-Pacific Faculty Development Program. In August, we initiated our partnership with B-Track and advanced civic awareness through the Digital Rights and Democratic Participation session. September focused on educator development with our induction training for teachers. In October, HRDI celebrated excellence in education with the Teaching Excellence Awards, honoring educators who inspire, lead, and innovate, and TOT on interactive learning. November highlighted educator and professional growth with the foundation training for interactive teaching for MGI educators and the certificate giving ceremony for PGC in FA/FFD second batch and PGD in SCM second batch. December concluded by joining the 7th FBHRO National HR Convention 2025, hosting Enhance Your Advising and Counseling Skills and celebrating the PGD in HRM 4th batch closing and certificate awarding ceremony. 2025 was a year of progress, collaboration, and connection. Thank you for being part of this journey. As we move into a new year full of opportunities and fresh stories, let's continue walking forward toward a brighter, bolder tomorrow.